Hey guys, so today is kind of like a vlog, day in the life, very short kind of video. Mary and Tony over at the SisketEars invited me and a bunch of other YouTubers to join in like a pumpkin painting / carving collab. And I definitely wanted to do it. It's been an insane week because it's my show week at my school. Like we're performing our first play of the year, and obviously like during COVID, it's just like extra crazy. Like we're doing it outside with masks and a whole bunch of regulations. But I did really want to do this, and I knew that I was going to do a pumpkin with my girls anyway, so enjoy this little kind of brief tutorial on kind of a Boo to You themed pumpkin. I will tell you guys, usually when I do pumpkins with my kids, I like to do stuff with their hands and their feet because I like to encase their handprints and their footprints as much as I can, like all over my house, whether that's weird or not, I don't know. And then, sorry I'm not like done up. I mean, honestly, I don't think you guys really care, but it's a day in the life, so this is what I look like on a daily basis. So let's go grab the girls and the pumpkin and start painting. You silly.
Yeah, I am. Oh.
Alright, let me see your hand.
Oh no! Oh no, I do not want to get my hand get painted. Hello. My mom's painting my hand right now.
Are you the narrator?
Yeah, I am. If you need to get some between my hand.
No, that's good. Alright, now I want you to keep your hand like this.
Okay.
Okay. Can you keep these fingers together? Good job. Perfect.
Oh my goodness.
All right, go wash your hands really good.
All right, and then you're gonna do my other hand?
No, I'm gonna do Dalen's hand.
And then can you do the other side?
The other side, I'm gonna let you put your name on.
Oh, and Dalen's hand?
Yep. You ready, Day Day? Let me tell you get my piece out. Thank you.
Mommy, can I paint my name? Can I
Not
paint my
actually.
name? Can I paint my name now?
Not yet,
Why?
because I'm trying to think how to do this.
Excuse me.
Excused.
I'm gonna hold it like this.
Okay. Ooh, you touched the back of the chair with your boot hands.
I did not.
Yeah, you did.
Why?
Because it looks like you didn't wash your hands all the way.
I did. I tried. That's good. So I'm kind of moving it. Stop laughing. I can't hold it for anymore.
Yes, you can. You're holding a pumpkin.
I am not holding a pumpkin. I'm
no, Day Day, no.
I'm holding a pretend pumpkin.
I know.
Yeah. And that
Okay.
is. Oh.
Mommy did the wrong hand.
Why did you do the wrong
It was
hand?
an accident.
Be careful, Mama. Be careful.
No, I did do the right hand.
What? What?
Nothing.
Can I
Don't touch.
Why?
Baby, you got paint all over the back of the pumpkin.
I'm sorry.
Go wash your hands again. You think it's funny? Don't touch, don't touch. All right. 15th time is the charm. No. Daddy, can I get your help for a second?
Yeah.
Sorry. Don't touch.
Come down.
No.
Where you want it? Right there?
Yeah. Oh gosh. Dang it. Come on.
Go in.
hard or something?
Yeah, no, Dalen's just more difficult. She's a baby. All right, time to go wash hands with soap. So I didn't say this in the beginning, but I used Rust-Oleum white chalk paint for the hands. It just gave it a nice thick coat to where I wouldn't have to try to go over it with paint afterward for the most part. And now I'm just going in with a pencil. I am using a little Mickey Ghost reference photo to draw the face in, but I'm just freehanding it, and then I'm going to go in with a paint pen and fill it in. Now this first handprint, when I'm making the face, I do get out of frame, but I'm just going to fast forward through this part, and then I'll get to Dalen's hand, and I get back in frame for that one. Now for the ears, I tried to trace like a little thimble of, I don't know what I'm trying to say, a little spool of string for sewing, but I just ended up freehanding the ears too. If you're really nervous about it, you could also go in and trace something circular. I just was having a better time freehanding it. So I did have to fill in Dalen's hand just a tiny bit because, I mean, you guys know if you've ever done a baby handprint, they just don't come out quite as well as an older kid. So I just filled in that middle part where the face is going to go, and then after letting that dry, I went back in and repeated the same steps. Now for the ears, I traced them with the paint pen, but I'm actually filling them in using my Waverly black ink chalk paint and just a simple chiseled paintbrush. And now I'm going to give you guys a close-up of doing the little Mickey face as well as the ears. I also decided just to freehand the words boo to you in between the two little ghosts. I thought this gave it a cute little touch. Of course, this is optional. You could also add stickers if you're more comfortable doing it that way. At the request of my oldest daughter, I am going to make the ghosts two little bows, and I also added eyelashes onto them. She didn't like that they were Mickeys. She wanted them to be Minnies because they're both girls. Now I realize that it's a little bit hard to see what I'm doing, so I'm actually going to link a video down below where I made some teeny tiny bows for some little miniature mini Mickey pumpkins that I did for a display. So if you guys need help making tiny bows, that will be a much more helpful thing to show, just because I got the camera a lot closer in. But basically I'm just folding the ribbon into a circle and then just hot gluing a different type of purple string around the center. This is hard, and if you're nervous about burning yourself, I would definitely use those little silicone finger covers that they have at like Dollar Tree and stuff, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I got more hot glue in my hands making these tiny little bows than like any project I've ever done. But after they were done, I just went in and added some hot glue to the pumpkin and just added them in between the ears, and that's it. I did let Kala write her name below her ghost, and then I added Dalen's name below hers, and this is what it looks like all displayed with my super cute light up Mickey's Not So Scary themed necklace that I got from Enchanted Rita. If you guys missed my Boo Ball unboxing, that's where I got this from. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mary and Tony, thank you so much for inviting me. This was such a fun thing to do, and I love that I get to now like go on YouTube and watch a bunch of different kind of Disney inspired pumpkin DIYs. That's so cute. I probably will end up making a couple more. I do love painting pumpkins and using those reusable ones just because then I get to keep them and set them out again. I do eventually just need to actually like carve a real pumpkin with my girls, because Kala's never done that and it made me feel bad thinking that the other day. So we definitely need to try that maybe next year, or maybe there's still time. We could still do it this year. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys go check out all of the other channels that are doing this collab. I have them linked in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.